Shanini. We're almost there, 10 minutes away. You're getting married this weekend.
I like the way that we make up whenever we fight. And I love the way that you look any day, every night. I've tried to make a list of all the...
I can't promise that I won't hurt myself at the most inopportune moments, hence why you gotta pick me up from the gym on Thursday. I can't promise that I won't annoy the heck out of you about the most random things that I find most interesting. I can't promise that I won't complain about the smallest things and you telling me to get over it. I can't promise that I won't work my hardest to make sure that you and our future family have the life that you all deserve. I can't promise that our journey moving forward won't be the toughest, most challenging thing we've ever encountered. And lastly, I can't promise that I won't try to make every single day of our lives amazing. We're gonna have some highs, some lows, some wins, and some losses, but as long as I have you in my life, we're gonna be all right.
I like the way you hear just what I say when I speak.
Chris, I'm gonna kiss your bride.
Y'all, they did it. They're married now. It's all over. They did it.
And still they don't add up to the wonderful woman I see. The road I was on before you was so dull and so gray. So wherever you're going, I'm going, 'cause I like the way. So wherever you go, I go, 'cause I like your